Hello and welcome to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to share a file on Dropbox. So let's have a look now. Go to the Dropbox website and log in into your Dropbox account. Once logged in, locate the file you want to share. Hover over the file you want to share, click on the share button, enter the email address of the people you want to share the file with. Alternatively, you can generate a link to the file and share that link manually. Choose the level of access or permissions for the recipient. Click Share File to send the file invitation. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.